Hi then, naway magustuhan mo itong munting surprise ko para sa'yo. I love you.
Happy anniversary, Jenny.
Ingat kayo palagi at sana maging more bless sa inyong dalawa.
Happy anniversary, Jenny.
Anniversary, Jeneline.
Happy anniversary, Jenny.
Happy anniversary, Jenny and Joseph.
Happy anniversary, Joseph and Jenny.
Happy anniversary, Jenny, and ano, pangalan mo rin? Joseph!
We wish you the rest of everything and long, long life at maraming baby.
Happy first anniversary, Tito Joseph, Tito Jenny. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng yung bigay sa aming lahat. Maraming salamat po talaga at marami pong anniversary dumating